Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to the page of Pioneer Education Consultancy. I hope that everyone who is viewing this video are fit and fine and staying secure and fine at their houses. So this video is basically for College Saint Michel. My name is Mehtab Mehta and I am marketing manager for College Saint Michel of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. This college, Saint Michel, is one of the oldest and reputed colleges of Montreal. We were catering education, imparting education to both international as well as domestic students. Uh, we are currently having two campuses, two operational campuses in Montreal city. As far as the location is concerned, it is located in the heart of Montreal city, that is just about 5 minutes drive from downtown Montreal. So which means that it allows the student to have easy access towards the job market as well as towards the residential areas. So this is a privately licensed designated institution, so, which means that all the diplomas which are awarded to the students are being governed and licensed by Ministry of Education and Higher Education, and because it is having a DLI number as well as so it is also eligible for 3-year post-study work permit. So currently we are running 4 courses for international students, English based international students. First one is one of the very famous programs of Canada, that is AEC level study of early childhood education. Yes, so early childhood education is one of the very popular program of for Canadian studies as far as it is concerned. Uh, the students who are coming from the background of 10+2 non-medical, the students who are coming from nursing background, that is A&M, GNM, BSc nursing, or the students coming from the arts background as well, like 10+2 arts, or those who have done BA or MA, or those who have done B.Ed, M.Ed, all these students, or ETT as well. So all these students can apply for this program, early childhood education, so which is a highly competitive and career oriented program. Second program which we are providing currently is accounting techniques. It is also an AEC level study, accounting techniques. So AEC stands for attestation of collegial studies. So as far as accounting techniques is concerned, as the name suggests, it provides you a master's in your accounting techniques, and the students coming from commerce background can apply for this program. So this program is open for 10+2 commerce background, for 10+2 then BBA students, then BCom students, MCom students, MBA, those who have done MBA in finance can also apply for accounting techniques program. The third program is computer programmer techniques. So this program is also of AEC level, and the computer programmer techniques is, as far as it is concerned, the students coming from non-medical background can apply for this program. The students, those who have done their graduation or post-graduation in computer science or IT background, can also apply for this program. For example, those who have done BCA, those who have done BSc IT, BSc Computer Science, BTech IT, BTech Computer Science, or MCA or PGDCA can also apply for this program. The fourth program is Office System Technology. Office System Technology program is currently available for 10+2 arts and commerce students. It is also available for those who have done graduation in or post graduation in business administration. So all the students or the students those who have done their 10+2 in arts or commerce can apply for for office system technology. Right. There is another program, that is DEP level study, that is diploma in vocational studies in IT support. Currently this program is available in French language only, so but it will be very soon available in English. So currently we are having 4 programs for English speaking students from India. So as far as the fee structure is concerned, the fee structure is highly competitive. We are having the total of 26,500. The total fee of 2-year program is 26,500, and if I talk about the 1-year tuition fee, it is 15,500. So for the first year, student has to pay 15,500, and after completion of 1 year, all they have to pay is 11,000 approximately in the next year. Duration of all the programs is 2 years. one of the another important thing is that internship is one of the mandatory part of these programs. So all the students, those who are studying in Saint Michel College, have to go through an internship after completion of their studies. So this internship will be of around 90 hours. It is just transformation from the theoretical world to the practical world. Like the students, those who have studied whatever they have studied in their in their curriculum, they have studied theoretically. So to apply those things in the practical world or in the industry, these internship plays a major role. Right. So as far as the admission process is concerned, the admission is paper based. So you have to apply through an application form which is being provided to you by Pioneer Education. Um, you have to fill that form. You have to provide us the another academic documents, and we'll process your application in 2 to 3 business days and provide you pre-admission offer letter. After completion, after getting the offer letter, you have to pay your first tuition fee, and after getting the tuition paying the tuition fee, you have to you'll get the letter of acceptance as well as the fee receipt from the college side. And after completion of these formalities, you can apply for CAQ, then your medical, and you can further apply for your embassy visas, right? So now as far as the requirements are concerned, the first thing, like the student, those who are coming from undergrad background, that is 10 plus 2 students, and the academic gap is maximum is acceptable for 2 years. That means a student, those who have completed their education in 2018, the 10 plus 2 in 2018, they don't have to provide us any kind of um, academic gap in it, or they don't have to justify their gap. They can directly apply for Saint Michel College in 2020 only. For students, those who have done their graduation and having a work experience in the relevant field, we can accept an academic gap of up to 7 years. So yes, 7 years gap is acceptable for the students, those who have completed their graduation or post graduation. Um, as far as the backlogs are concerned, the students, those who have done a 3-year degree, we can accept up to 12 backlogs, including attempts, and those who have done let's say 4-year degree, we can also accept 16 backlogs, including the attempts, right? So now coming towards the major part, that is the IELTS requirement. So as far as the IELTS is concerned, or language requirements are concerned, we are accepting overall 6 band with no band less than 5.5 in one module. Yes, so the students, those who have appeared for the IELTS, those who have completed their IELTS with overall 6 bands, and with one module 5.5, they can apply to Saint Michel. Those students, those who have not appeared for IELTS but they have their Duolingo score, we can also accept Duolingo score for 105 or more. The students, those who have done PTE, so Saint Michel is also accepting PTE score, that is overall 56 with no score less than 50 in any individual module. So these are the language requirement. So we have discussed till now about the courses, the eligibility criteria for the courses, the gap about the backlogs, about the language. So these are the basic information which I'm here to provide you about the courses. Now all these programs are of 2 years. That means that all the students, those who are going to complete their education in Saint Michel, are eligible for up to 2 years, up to 3 years of post-study work permit. So yes, up to 3 years of post-study work permit the students can apply. Now there are other support services which the college is going to provide to the students, because all the students, those who are coming to Montreal, may not have some acquaintances or friends in Montreal. So we are providing some benefits to the students. Like first of all, whenever a student lands in Canada, he or she is very much confused about where to go, about to which side, through which mode of transportation they can go to the place, who will provide the home, are they going to stay in a hotel or what. So all these questions are being answered in one single statement. Like for all the students, we are providing free airport pickup, because it is a pandemic time, corona pandemic time. So the students are being forced to stay in a quarantine period for 14 days by the authorities. So we are also providing that quarantine stay to the students. So now coming towards the services, first of all, the student when arrives in Canada will provide a free airport pickup and will drop the student to the quarantine center, which we'll provide a free accommodation and free food to the student for next 14 days of their stay. After completion of this stay, we'll provide a student with a 2 months of free accommodation. The student is going to shift from their quarantine center to their accommodation for 2 months from the college side. During that tenure of your accommodation, we'll also provide you uh, 1 month of free food and including which is included in the fee only. You don't have to pay anything extra for all these services. We are also going to provide you mobile phone. We are also going to provide you a SIM card which is active for 1 month for 1 month of calling and data services. So the student need not to worry about where do they get a SIM card, how do they contact with their parents or their loved ones. So we'll provide you the compatible smartphone with SIM card and calling and internet data. Along with this smartphone, we are also going to provide you a laptop which is compatible for your studies, which will be having all the softwares which are required at your education. So along with smartphones, laptops, we are also going to provide you a health insurance. So a student is being insured by the college for 2 years, right from after the landing in Montreal till the study ends. The student is being insured by the college side. So these are the main services which our college is providing to the students. So I'll list it down once again. First is all the students are being provided a free airport pickup. All the students are being provided 14 days of quarantine along with the food. All the students are being provided with 2 months of free accommodation with 1 month of free food. All the students are also provided smartphones along with the SIM card, along with calling and data pack. We are also providing free laptops, and with all these things, we are also providing students a free health insurance, which is included in the fees. So all the student has to pay is $15,500, which is a very competitive fee. Along with their education, we are also providing these extra benefits to the students, right? So as far as coming to Montreal is concerned, Montreal, if I talk about Montreal, it is a very beautiful city. It is the second largest city of Canada as far as the area is concerned, as far as the population is concerned. Montreal is also the second largest economy of Canada. It has one of the major port in Canada, which is one of the largest inland port in the world. So from there the students can have an easy access towards their jobs, because Montreal provides a lot of we can say Montreal provides a lot of number of jobs to the students in the field of finance, in the field of pharmaceutical, in the field of IT. IT hub is one of the largest IT hubs in entire Canada of Montreal, and in the field of accounting, finance, in the field of healthcare, in the field of in each and every field the student is going to have a job. If I talk about the restaurants, there are ample number of restaurants in Canada. In Montreal only, the student can visit one restaurant, and it will take another 1 year to visit the same restaurant if the student going to experience all the restaurants in Montreal. So it is a beautiful city. It has a combination of a modern architecture as well as the European ancient architecture. The student can experience the beauty, can experience the utterly profound confluence of both French and modern architecture. The student can definitely experience, they can definitely explore the Canada. Now, if I talk about the number of days being taught, the student normally which are going to Canada are experiencing the studies for more than 5 days, which means that they're left with only 2 days to work as a part-time or to explore Canada. So if I talk about Saint Michel College, the college is providing you a very we can say a very extra another benefit, that is you are going to have classes for only 2 to 3 working days. So you can also choose on weekend or on the weekdays. It is up to you. The students, those who are going to choose the weekend classes, has another benefit that they can learn French in the weekdays. I would also like to add that the students, those who are learning French in Canada, there are number of people, those who are learning French in Canada. Quebec is one of the province which is providing financial assistance to learn French. French is the second language of Canada, and it is providing you additional points during your PR process. So French is one of the major language being spoken in Canada. Those who are going to apply for the government jobs, or those who are going to apply for the settlement process after their studies, French is definitely going to help them. So if I talk about French, if a student is going to learn French for 25 hours per week, let's say, so these students now can definitely avail a benefit of up to $820 that is being provided by the government. So government is providing a student with $820 per month if the student is learning full-time French in Montreal or Quebec. So this benefit is not available in any other province. Along with this French classes, student can also work full part-time basis for the 20 hours. So the student has ample time for learning French. They have ample time to go for a job, part-time job, and they also have time to explore Montreal, to explore Canada and the beautiful city of this Montreal city. If I talk about the admission process, Pioneer Education team is very experienced. They are privileged partners, and we are having a very good experience with Pioneer Education. So they are very much experienced. So all you have to do is go and visit a Pioneer Immigration office, and they'll provide you the ample number of details you like to know about College Saint Michel. They'll provide you a very transparent application process, so you don't have to worry about anything. So Pioneer Education is I would like to thanks once again Dr. Ravi Garg, Director Pioneer Education, who is also an ICCRC member and a very good friend of mine, for providing me this platform where I can interact directly with all the students, with all the potential students that are going to study in Canada. So that is all from my side. If you have any kind of doubt, if you have any query, you may definitely visit Pioneer Education Services, and they will definitely guide you in a better way. Thank you so much.